PreppersPost.com is all about preppers sharing with other preppers. The way you can share with other preppers is to invite preppers. While PreppersPost.com is by invitation only, if you know other preppers who could benefit, who are prepper-minded and could benefit from the content at Preppers Post, who can add content, who can add opinions and evaluations, then we ask you to invite them. We invite you to invite them. And so you do that by simply clicking on the Invite a Prepper button at the top of almost every screen. You'll be presented with this Send Invites page. Simply put in their name and you can invite up to 5 at a time. Is there a limit as to how many you can invite? The answer is no. You can invite as many as you want. When they receive this invitation, they'll be prompted to go to a page to submit an application for membership. During that application, we'll evaluate them and see if they are, in fact, connected to the prepper community, that they are prepper-minded. And if they are, then we'll give them membership, and the more the merrier. Just remember that PreppersPost.com is open only to prepper-minded persons. If for some reason you have a media or a newspaper or TV or something of that nature that needs access, contact us at support, and we can make that happen for them. So invite as many preppers as you want to PreppersPost.com.